So this year we're going to visualize how the brain visualizes. Cognitive psychologists now tell us that the brain doesn't actually see the world as it is, but instead creates a series of mental models through a collection of aha moments or moments of discovery through various processing. The processing, of course, begins with the eyes. Light enters, hits the back of the retina, and is circulated, most of which is streamed to the very back of the brain at the primary visual cortex. And primary visual cortex sees just simple geometry, just the simplest of shapes. But it also acts like a kind of relay station that re-radiates and redirects information to many other parts of the brain, as many as 30 other parts that selectively make more sense, create more meaning through the kind of aha experiences. We're only going to talk about 3 of them. So the first one is called the ventral stream. It's on this side of the brain, and this is the part of the brain that will recognize what something is. It's the what detector. Look at a hand, look at a remote control, chair, book. So that's the part of the brain that is activated when you give a word to something. A second part of the brain is called the dorsal stream, and what it does is locates the object in physical body space. So if you look around the stage here, you'll create a kind of mental map of the stage, and if you closed your eyes, you'd be able to mentally navigate it. You'd be activating the dorsal stream if you did that. The third part that I'd like to talk about is the limbic system. And this is deep inside of the brain. It's very old evolutionarily, and it's the part that feels. It's the kind of the gut center where you see an image and you go, oh, I have a strong or emotional reaction to whatever I'm seeing. So the combination of these processing centers help us make meaning in very different ways.